All right, pop on the video here. I'm in. 395 puts. Nice. Right off the bat, up 7%. Here we go. Nice. Obviously, don't get greedy if you can't afford it. Up 15%. Drop here. There we go. I'm out. Say hello to him. Yo, how'd you guys do today? We're already done. We finished 5 minutes into the market. Let him know how we did today. This is the type of setup I want to see. I want to see strength or weakness against the market. So I saw the weakness in the video this morning. This was down about $6, $7 from the previous night, and the market was flat. So what I did was like, all right, if this shows me a strong sign of weakness right off the open, I'm going to take this trade, but with half position size, because I don't want to go in too heavy for something that can bounce, right? So I watched the market pushed. Look, this is the first candle on the market right here. Market pushed. This stock ended up pushing a little bit, not as much as the S&P 500, and dropping. So I ended up taking that trade into 403, and then I held into this for a couple minutes, and then this ended up taking the dump. So I identified the weakness of this stock versus the overall market, and then all I had to do was identify which contracts I wanted to take. The stocks that I play have good spreads, and they always have volatility and volume, right? So it allows me to kind of pick whatever contracts I really want, technically. So I look for the most volume in the contracts because that means the spreads are tighter and I always could get filled even with big size. So I ended up taking the 395 puts on the video because my target was 395, right? This ended up breaking 392. I got in at 403. Even if this dropped to 400 and I had the 395 puts, just because I didn't get to 395 doesn't mean I don't make money. I actually I was up. Right? And I actually ended up selling before the 400 break. So I made about 22% on that position. So I identified the weakness versus the market and executed on that. That's the type of trade I took today to make $8,000, over $8,000 today.